Hi guys, I didn't make a New Year's resolution this year, and I usually don't. But this year, I just decided to do something a little different in my garden this year than I did last year. Last year, I sort of let things get out of hand. I spent money. I can't tell you how much money I spent. Actually, I cannot tell you how much money I spent in my garden last year. And that shouldn't be. It should be. So this year, I've decided that I'm going to do things a little differently. That I'm not going to be a tightwad, but I am going to be a little tighter on my budget. And I'm going to try to buy less this year. But even in buying, I'm going to try to keep a tally of what I buy and how much I pay. So, so far, I only have 2 receipts. I have a receipt from Ace Hardware, and it is the total is $31.46, and that is for mostly seeds and one little tree for $9.99, but the rest is seed. So that's one receipt that I have for 2022. The next receipt I have is Dollar General. And let me see. I bought one. Well, the total of the receipt is $21.30. $21.30. But I bought something that was not related to the garden. I bought, I think 2 things that was not related to the garden, which I'll take $2 off. So that'll be like $19 total. And these were for seeds. And I don't know if you can see it on the receipt. I don't know if I can show you that. But most of these are 2 for $1 or 4 for $1. And these were seeds. These were vegetables and flower seeds. But most of them were 4 for $1 and 2 for $1. So that's about $19 with this receipt and $31 for this one. So right now I'm right at $40 spent in my garden for 2022. So that is how I plan on doing it this year. So I would know what I spent in that garden, because I don't know when what I get out of it. It's gonna be worth it if I don't keep a record. So I'm trying. I might not do every single thing, but for the bigger purchases and things that I have a receipt, I'm going to try to keep a record of it, and because I think it's good for me to know what's going on, to know whether something is worth doing it or not doing it. So that is my plan for this year. Let's see. Yeah, that is my plan for this year, to keep a tally of what I spend on the garden. Also, I'm going to try to keep a list of things that were given to me, because I've already had things given to me. I've had a roll of black plastic. This was about a 30-foot roll of black plastic. It's new. Was given to me. And I just decided, hey, I'm going to do something with it. So I put my plastic containers on top of it. I've had planters given to me, the trough planters. And I say that's good for planting my peas, because I intend to plant them next to the fence, that they can run up on the fence. So that was given to me. So I'm going to keep a list of the things that I buy, a list of the things that was given to me. And at the end of the year, I can go back and look at it and I can see, is it worthwhile? I mean, if I'm just having fun, I just love to do it. It's worthwhile, however much I pay. But I just want, this is just for me to see what am I putting in this garden. Because like I said, last year I did let it get away. I think the biggest one I paid was when I fenced in my garden. And so that was probably the most that I paid. Because the wooden posts at the time were double the price. Instead of $7 that I had paid about 6 months before, I had to pay $14 per post. So that was a lot. And I had at least, how many posts did I get? 20, I think I got 20, a little over 20 posts. But I still have no idea because I didn't keep records. So this year, I plan to do this differently. And if you think it's a good idea, you can do it too. Okay, guys, bye-bye.